The next dance we're going to teach you is called Elizabeth's Waltz. Now you'll notice in this dance that we have some foxtrot movements in waltz time. We commence in ballroom hold, facing diag centre. We start with 1 to 3 of a reverse turn to back the line of dance. 1, 2, 3. Gentleman right, now lady left, turning to the left. A progressive chassé to finish facing diag to the wall. 1, 2 and 3. We're now going to do half a natural turn, underturned to back diag centre. 1, 2, 3. And now a feather step, gentleman going backwards, lady forward. 1, 2, 3. Ending with the lady outside of partner on his right side. We'll put those 4 bars together for you, counting them in beats and bars. And 1, 2, 3, 2, 2 and 3. 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. We continue now with bar 5, which is a feather finish. Gentleman's going to dance back to the side and slightly forward, and then right foot forward outside of the lady on her right side. 1, 2, 3. We now dance into a whisk. Gentleman forward, lady back to the side, and we cross behind, turning to promenade. 1, 2, 3. Now the next bar is a wing, but it's unusual because it's a syncopated wing. And the lady will go from right side of the gent, counting 1, 2 and 3. The gentleman steps forward on his right foot and closes left foot slowly towards, and 1, 2 and 3. Now we're going to check, replace and step to the side. Check, replace to the side, and that's the end of bar 8. So if we could just show those 4 bars one more time. Our feather finish, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2 and 3, 4, 2, 3. So if we put that together for you right from the very beginning. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2 and 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2 and 3, 8, 2, 3. Of course, we're now ending backing diag to the wall. We have finished bar 8, backing diag to the wall. We're going to dance a back lock, 1 to 2 of an impetus turn, and 2 to 3 of a curved feather. And 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3. Finishing outside partner, diag wall against line of dance. So if I can show those few bars again, counting them for you, and 9, 2 and 3, 10, 2 and 3. Continuing from here, we're going to turn to promenade. Back, back to the side. And the gentleman's going to do a chassé, turning to face the lady and end backing diag to the centre. 1, 2 and 3. So if we could put those 4 bars together for you now. So commencing the gentleman's left, lady forward on the right, and 1, 2 and 3, 2, 2 and 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2 and 3. Now that gets us to 3/4 of the dance, so we'll pick it up from the very beginning, counting it of course for you in beats and bars. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 2, 2 and 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2 and 3, 8, 2, 3, 9, 2 and 3, 10, 2 and 3, 11, 2, 3, 12, 2 and 3. We now finish with the last 4 bars. And if you remember, the boy has chassised and he's backing diag to the centre. We're going to check into a swivel. Check, replace and swivel. And now I'm preparing to step outside of my lady on her right side. I'm going to do my curved feather. 1, 2, 3. Into an outside change. Back to the side, finishing in promenade. 1, 2, 3. The dance finishes with a soft chair, and you'll note that the footwork is toe heel. Check, replace, and a slip pivot, turning the lady in line to our commencing position, facing diag centre. And then we start the dance all over again. So now we've been right the way through it for you slowly. We'll dance it without stopping. Count it for you in the bars, and 1, 2, 3, 2, 2 and 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2 and 3, 8, 2, 3, 9, 2 and 3, 10, 2 and 3, 11, 2, 3, 12, 2 and 3, 13, 2, 3, 14, 2, 3, 15, 2, 3, 16, 2, 3.